Hello everyone. In this quick video, I'll show you how to create a PDF file from images on a Windows laptop or PC using a very simple method. Now let's get started. First, open the folder that contains the images you want to convert into a PDF. Select all the images you want to include in your PDF file. If you want to select all images at once, press Ctrl-A on your keyboard. After selecting the images, right-click on any of the selected images. In Windows 11, a small menu will appear. Click on Show More Options to open the Classic menu. Now click on Print. A new window will open called Print Pictures. Here, we need to change a few settings. At the top, you will see the Printer option. Click on it and select Microsoft Print to PDF. This option allows Windows 11 to save your images as a PDF file. Below that, you will see different layout options. You can choose any layout you prefer. For example, I will select Full Page Photo. Next, look for the option Fit Picture to Frame. Make sure to uncheck this option so the images keep their original size and are not cropped. Once everything is set, click on Print. Now a window will open asking you where you want to save your PDF file. Choose the location, such as your desktop, and give your file a name. Then click Save. Windows 11 will now convert your selected images into a PDF file. After the process is finished, go to the location where you saved the file and open it. You will see that all your images are combined into one PDF document. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a PDF file from images on Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.